Y-Wing has a lock on our walker.
Keep an eye out for rebels.
Scanners indicate the rebels have activated an uplink station. Watch out for rebels. Jyn Erso, a known troublemaker, is in the vicinity. Track her down and finish her. Lock and focus! Defend this position!
Rebels are this way, trooper.
Hold the line!
Rebels sighted.
Spotted! Throwing grenade! The rebels have activated the uplink station. We must shut it down. Push the bag! Here they come! Ready, weapon!
Wrong way, trooper. That's a hit! Readings indicate the enemy uplink is offline.
Rebel Y-Wings are making their attack run. Erso's been dealt with. The walker needs protection. Keep the rebels back.
Our walker will remain unprotected.
Protect our walker. The rebels are inflicting heavy damage.
No lack of targets up ahead.
Advance.
Defend your position.
The resistance fighter Jyn Erso has entered the combat zone. Be careful. Attention. The bounty hunter Bosk has been deployed to assist you.
Enemies up ahead. Take him down! A rebel Y-Wing is locked onto our AT-AT.
locked onto our AT-AT.
Stay sharp. We got hostiles.
Urso will not bother the Empire again.
Rebel bombers have locked onto our AT-AT.
Rebels ahead. We got rebels in the area. The rebels have activated the uplink station. We must shut it down. Rebels in the zone! Rebel targeting sequence disrupted. Continue the operation as planned. The rebels have recruited a fighter by the name of Jyn Erso. She's dangerous. The uplink station has been taken over by the rebels. We must deactivate it in order to stop a Y-wing attack.
Nothing over there, trooper.
Cut their uplink. That should slow down their bombers. Rebel scum ahead. Urso's been taken care of.
Turn around. The rebels have taken control of the uplink station. We must shut it down to stop a Y-wing bomber attack. Enemy soldiers nearby.
They're moving on our position. Our Walker has broken through enemy lines and is primed to fire on the escape ship. Enemies ahead!